Well, surprise, surprise. By teaching you how to swing trade within a range, I taught you how to trade, period. Stick around for this one. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, JD here. How's it going? So this is gonna be the fifth video in this swing trading installment series that we got going on here, and I hope that you've been able to learn and pick up some new stuff from it. But to wrap it up, it's interesting. We've discussed everything we've been doing has been in the range. We've been taking swing trades that happen within a range, but swing trades also happen within a trend. So here's the mind-blowing fact of the day. The trend is nothing but a diagonal range. The market still moves the same way. It's just moving down or moving up instead of kind of going straight across sideways. So you may not have never looked at it that way, but it's really the same thing. So let me explain. This is a beautiful trend down, right? We know it's a trend down because what? We're staying under the EMA. Again, the EMA is a guide. I really could just work off the EMA with this, but so I could show you how trending and ranges are really the same thing, which is really my point, is that let's grab a channel. I'm just gonna pick any point because this thing trended so well. It really doesn't matter. Grab a channel. Let's just go here. That was a high point. I'm gonna go through here, the first touches that it would have had, and this would have been the bottom. So what am I doing here? This is a swing. This is a swing high. This would have been a swing low before it went back up. So I'm just drawing this channel off of these swings. And I'm looking for the first touch up here. So now what do? We just drag this puppy on down. And it held pretty good till right about now. So what do we have here? We have a trend channel down, but it reminds me awful lot of a range, right? Same deal as the range. Well, all you're looking to do is follow smart money. Right now, smart money is pushing prices down, and your entries off the top of the channel. If we're going down, this is the new kill zone. No different than the range. The only difference is that you only have one kill zone. When we're ranging straight across, the top and the bottom is the kill zone. In a trend down, only the top is the kill zone. So if you just take every trade off the top here, boom, that's a win. Boom, that's a win. Boom, that's a win. Wait for it, stay patient. Boom, that's a win. Coming back, here we go. First trend break. Looks like a trend break. Retest to it. Probably about to try to retest to a new low. Regular price action. It's all the same. So everything that I've been teaching you for swing trading within a range really rolls right on over into a trend. The only difference is you're looking for a different setup. You're looking for probably a second entry long, or you're looking for two legs back to the EMA. You're just looking for a different setup, but you still want it to touch this kill zone first, and then you enter. Same deal. So just everything that we've been discussing in the last 4 videos, you can apply that to trending markets. Let's see if we can find something else that's trending. Up. Here we go. Simple. Got an uptrend. Nice, easy breezy. Let's grab another channel. Okay. And this one will be a little bit trickier. Here's a bottom. Here's a low. Go through. Here's a touch I would have went through. Right there. Then I would have found the top, which would have been, we'll call it this one. It could have been this one. Actually, I kind of like it. It's this one. Yeah, kind of overshoot it. I mean, this could be debatable. We're gonna go tight on this one. We'll say here. Say if that was the top. It's fitting pretty good. So where's my kill zone? The bottom. When we're trending up, the kill zone is off the bottom. So if you follow that logic right here, you got a high first entry, second entry long right here. Look at that. Not a beautiful signal candle, but well enough to take that. 1, 2, 3, that's a win. Okay, your kill zone now is here. So all you have to do when you're in the trending market is ignore all this noise, stick to the discipline to wait for a kill zone entry, and boom, that's your entry. So it's the same thing as our range phase. You have to be patient enough to wait for prices to come to the kill zone. The kill zone is the difference maker in all of this. Whether you're in a range or you're in a uptrend or a downtrend, your ability to wait for prices to make it to the kill zone will be the difference between your success and failure. And that is gonna wrap that lesson up for the day. That's what it is. So everything we've been learning to do range phase swing trades, it's the same thing once we're trending, because this is a swing, up, down, up. That's a two-legged move, swing. And then we came back to where a good kill zone, which we knew it would come back eventually, and it did, and boom. So what you do is just wait, or you take it off the. I take mine off the EMA. So I would have had a trade here, 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 here. So for me, when it's trending, I like anything off of the EMA is a go. You know, you'll get a lot more trades than waiting for here. So it all depends on how you want to trade. You know, the safest trade though is typically off of a good trend line. But for me, especially on the 1 minute chart that I've been using, you know, anything off of the EMA. See, I mean, anything off the EMA works here. You take this, it works. You take this, it works. This one, 1, 2, 3, that would have worked too. You take this, it works. So anything off of the EMA is running pretty much parallel with the kill zone. That's why I love taking any pullback off of the EMA. The EMA is your best entry when you're in a nice, good, strong trend. This is a nice, strong trend. So, you know, any move back to the EMA is a good entry. So that's gonna be my final tip, and that's swing trading. Whether you're in a uptrend here, or the downtrend we just showed, or the range, which we've been looking at all week, it's all still the same. The market moves and swings. So when you're swing trading, going for more than just a scalp, what you want to do is, if it's an uptrend or a downtrend, use that EMA or a trend line for your entries. And if we're in the range, it's the bottom kill zones with a good signal candle, it's a go. You follow those simple rules right there, you will improve your trading. It's that simple. Can you be patient? And can you be disciplined? And can you pull the trigger when you get to the kill zone? Ask yourself those questions. And if you can, hey, in the comments today, let's put it in the comments. Kill zone. Everybody just write kill zone. And remember that we're going to be patient, and we're going to wait for prices to come to the kill zone. And that's going to extremely help our trade results. So that's going to wrap it up. So let's get into the example today. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification button so you'll be ready when I drop the next one. So let's look at the trade today. So we're looking at the Euro USD here. Was in this area before. This was a beautiful move up. This would be a second touch. EMA is in about the same area it was on that trade. This is the 10-minute setup. Now we're getting a nice signal candle up. Inside bar, unfortunately. Definitely see what this candle does. If it breaks lower, traps everybody, yeah. Okay. There we go. Got the lower break here. So this is a breakout pullback entry. And now the EMA is too close. It is definitely barreling down on us. A beautiful signal candle would get us halfway to the EMA. but zooming out, it looks so much better. Okay, rolling back to the MA. 10-minute setup. Hopefully going with the euro strength we've seen in the other markets and come up to the top of this range. 10 minutes. Hold the line. You can still give us this action here. Some rejection. Some rejection. Get back to that EMA. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Push up, push up. Give us a shot, give us a shot. Oof. Closing your top, closing your top. You the one, you the one. You gonna do me like that, huh? Hey guys, JD here. Hey, listen, I gotta tell you the truth. If you are brand new to trading, you're probably not gonna buy any course and start making money in a month, okay? It just doesn't work that way. But if you do look into my course, IOTS Price Action Trading System, what I can assure you is that you will be on the right road, the right path to begin to start a successful trading journey. Price action trading is the key. I say it over and over and over again. If you can learn price action trading, you can finally start to have success in the markets. So listen, lower your expectations. A doctor does not start practicing medicine in a month, all right? This is a high paying career in trading. So you're gonna have to pay the cost to be the boss. But if you look into my course, it will definitely help you, put you on the road to increase on the sudden. Now back to that trade. Rejection, 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 rejection. Rejection, rejection, rejection. We'll take it. Push up, push up. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Just keep fighting. 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 Keep fighting, keep fighting, keep fighting. Closing your top, closing your top, closing your top, closing your top. Closing your top. Good push. Good push. Don't do that, don't do that. Don't do that. Push up, push up. Push up. Reject it. Reject it. Rejection. 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 Push up. Push up, push up, rejection, rejection, rejection. Good close. Push up, push up. Let's go. We out. We out. Push it out, push it out, push it out. Come on, get through that EMA. Get through that EMA. Get through that EMA. Push up strong. Get through that EMA. Get through that EMA. Come on, get through that EMA. Get through that EMA. Come on, closing your top. 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 Good push. Final candle. Let's go. Great candle. Great candle. Let's load up for the next one. 5-minute shot coming up. Great candle. It's 2.91. Really? Okay. Great candle. Great candle. So that was another successful range fade. So I want you guys to think about something. So anybody who's been watching this last my last 5 videos here, and I know you've taken range fade out of the kill zone by now. I know you have, and you're probably winning, aren't you? You're winning, aren't you? See? So I'm saying that to point out that if you have started winning from this value that I gave away here in this last course, or just mini series, little five video mini series, think about the value that must be still sitting in the rest of the course, right? So what I just gave away on YouTube was one setup, one concept within one market condition, the range, and you can take that and start to make a living. Mind blowing, right? Mind blowing. That one setup in that one market condition, if you were just disciplined enough to only take that setup, you can make a living. Mind blowing. That's the power of trading right there. But there are other setups too that you should be aware about. They actually may fit your personality better. The 10-minute trade might not be for you. The range may not be your thing. The trend is your friend until it bends. I understand. So that's why we know how to trade in the trend also. So there's sections and there's setups for that, for particular market condition. And that's what we've been trying to get across in these series. The market condition makes all the difference. You have to understand what smart money is doing, and that's what we do. That's what we teach. So consider investing in your future for real, in your trading journey. You have to have the right information to even have a shot. There's such a thin line between success and failure in the markets. You have to have the right information to even have a shot. What I teach in my IOTS price action trading system is the right information. It's proven, it's time tested, it's price action. I just break it down in an easy way so that you can pick it up quick and start to get to the bag. That's all to it. So again, I greatly appreciate you watching this series. Please like it, share it, let everybody know, hey, range fade summer is on. This one setup works well. Doesn't take a long time to set up. 10-20 minutes a day, and you can make whatever you want to make. There you go. So share that news. I greatly appreciate it. I love the comments. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you. I'll come back and we'll think up another series to keep this thing going. So my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the sudden.